Hey, so this is Rosie. She's going up the stairs. She lives here, I think. This is the living room. This is where we have chapel and literature. This is Emily the RA and the wonderful cook. This is me in the mirror. Hello. Alright. Then this is the dining room and the library, where we have many, many books. All the classics. Coming towards the kitchen. This is where everybody's hanging out because we're on a break in science and medicine. This is Ben. Hi, Ben. This is Jasmine. Hi, Kendra. This is Kendra. See, I'm touring the kitchen. This is Susan again. She made an appearance earlier today.
Yes, I did.
This is Trevor. And Stephanie. She's from Oregon. That's Stephen. He's coming out of the bathroom. And we're back to the stairs now. So this is the night. And it's got a little dog down there somewhere. So anyway, that's the house. Oh, I didn't show you the classroom.
Yes. Well, she maybe is the.
Hi.